wisdom.
Ka District School Education Officer jong ka West Janta Hills kala Rakhe ya ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki Nonghikai ka ban repulai ha District Library Auditorium Mintong Jowai. Haba ajing kran Menteri Barem katanat pule puthi uba lakamen rembui ulai ro ya ki Nonghikai na ka benta ka Jylla jongki ban IT Met Badminton ban Shakri ya ki khana habaro Kylleng. Hagaba sangut ki Nonghikai kalayo pediang yaki kusnam District Award haga weipat ka Mynta haribhoi ka office jong ka District School Education Officer kala Rakhe ya ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki Nonghikai ha St Paul's Parish Hall batla samru ya kusnam District Award sheki Nonghikai kadbahan nongston la Rakhe ya ka Sngi Kyrpang jong ki Nonghikai ha St Peter's Higher Secondary School Pendeng Ray nongston hagaba laingut ki Nonghikai kalayo pediang ya ka District Award na DSEO ka West KHASI Hills.
I take this opportunity also to congratulate the Babu Everlasting Pongro, the national awardee of this year, the principal of Mynta High School, the state awardees, and district awardees all over the state of Meghalaya. We know what is the role of the teachers and how the teachers shape the society and how the teaching committee has struggled from time to time in fulfilling that profession.